Alright, y'all, I'm going to bed. I'm tired and I've been standing up for hours, so yeah. Good morning, y'all. So beautiful outside right now. Oh, like, fuck. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret. There's one thing you should know about me. It's that my top favorite fruit is watermelon. I don't want to hear nothing. It's just a great fruit. Taste is wonderful. Texture, wonderful. We're gonna leave it at that. I'm just now realizing what my second favorite fruit I don't eat too often, and I get every now and then occasionally. I don't know if y'all have ever heard of persimmons. They are maybe kind of comparable to a peach, but I don't know. Let me show y'all what a persimmon is. This is a persimmon. I know this looks like a tomato on camera, but that's what the tops look like. So this is, this is not a tomato. A persimmon is an edible fruit, a berry specifically. It grows on a variety of trees. It is Asian. I don't want to hear anything. It says when ripe, persimmons range in color from light yellow to dark red orange. I haven't had a persimmon in so long. Y'all, persimmons are so juicy. I might have to blur this out the way I'm eating this persimmon. You can tell these could be ripe some more. This really looks like I'm eating a tomato. I promise y'all, this is not a tomato. Good morning, y'all. Today it is 7:12 a.m. Wednesday, December 6th. Currently it's Fair Week at my high school. So today is we wear pink. So I'm gonna show you my outfit because we wear pink. I just threw together this wrinkled champion pink sweater, ombre-ish, tie-dye-ish. Yeah, with this, it's like a jean skirt. It is a jean skirt. With more pink underneath. I also got on some white shoes to go with this, and a pink head wrap, but it got like a big little bun on top. And then I also got on this is like a heart earring. It's light pink, and then red. And then I top it off with my cross necklace. And yeah, that's my outfit. So I'm about to go to school, y'all. And I'll see y'all later. Hey y'all, so I forgot to pull y'all out this morning to talk to y'all. Today at my school is Throwback Thursday, and I didn't even do it today. I was rushing because it took me like an extra 30 minutes to do this. And you know what's sad? My hair was bigger than this morning. But you know, you go outside and then stuff gets to shrinking and there's nothing you could do. Basically, what we got today is a fro. And then we got like a tie-dye shirt. I tie-dyed this shirt myself. Okay. Hold on, yeah. And then I had on these bell bottoms with these Doc Martens. Yeah, but yeah, I'm so happy to wear my fro today because like I don't get to wear it that often because I usually keep my hair in some sort of protective style. Because you know, the more and more you have your ends out and you keep picking your hair out and picking your hair out and picking your hair out, it's just gonna keep breaking off. Like the ends are out, it's not protected, you combing through it every day. It's just not the thing for natural hair. Every now and then, go ahead, but not too often. Yeah, I went to school, people was like, ooh, oh my gosh. People was like, can I touch it? I was like, no. First of all, no. Second of all, you're gonna ruin the shape. Like, I don't know if they realize how easy it is to make an indent in the afro. Like, I could literally lay my arm across my head and I will have a permanent just mark. Or if I lay down, it'll just be a flat back of my head. Like, no. But yeah, this is what I wore for Throwback Thursday. What's up, y'all? Today is 5:54 p.m. Wednesday, December 10th. So first of all, I like to say I'm really thugging it out right now, y'all. I'm very sick. Like my throat is really sore and I feel chills all over my body, so I think I might have something. You know, I'm not gonna say it out loud because we don't speak things into existence over here that are negative. Positive, yes. But before I did hurry up and take these clothes off because I'm freezing cold and I want to get over with this stuff. I'm gonna do my I was gonna do it, but here we go. As y'all can see, I'm repping my girl, Miss Eilish. I bought this sweater a couple years ago. Like, she is the first artist I was really like this with in here. I was like this with her. And then I paired that with like this. It's messed up now, but it's like a 3-layer chain thingy. I feel like this is something she would have worn during the era in which I bought this. Got that with some cargo, black cargo pants. Y'all can see the strings. And to match my top, I got some neon green, or lime green, I don't know, Vapor Max. That is the ultimate. I will talk to y'all later. I do not feel good. My throat hurts. My body is cold, and I got to go. I got to see you later. Bye bye.
Ladies on an escalator.